Whoa! Oh, this is awesome! Oh, wow! So here we have Regal Robot's Temple Trap Wall Decor from Raiders of the Lost Ark. You may remember this from the beginning of the movie when Indiana Jones is in the temple searching for the golden idol. Regal Robot has come through and done a fantastic job with this wall decor. And I'm so excited to finally have this in my hands because I ordered this back when they first went on sale. But you gotta remember, these are all handmade, so you're getting something that's made with pure quality. And I cannot wait to put this up on the wall. And I know just the spot I'm gonna put it. This impressive three-dimensional sculptural wall decor is roughly 15 inches square. It's the same size as the original set dressing from the film. With over 6 inches in depth, this is a high-relief stone look sculpture that feels like it came right out of the movie. Each made in the USA wall decor creation is cast in nearly 5 pounds of polyurethane resin and then hand-painted with realistic stone accents and aging. They even have faux moss embellishments for a truly realistic ancient feel. This item is also eligible for easy payments if you can't pay everything up front. These have begun shipping and they are currently making them in small waves. Orders placed today are expected to ship within 12 to 16 weeks. As you can see, there's a pre-made hole in the back of it, so it makes it easy for putting on the wall. I'm telling you, it's a great addition to any movie room, to any man cave. You're gonna love it, especially when you see it in person. Until next time, guys, fortune and glory.